These guys are killing it.
All I need is you, baby, baby.
Cuba, beautiful girls everywhere, man. You should visit before you die, you know? At least once, at least once. Yeah, at least once. Ah, those guys. They're right there. I'm still exploring the Malecon area during the day. That's how it looks like. And lots of videos to come, and you should subscribe to my channel. Also share my videos just to support, you know. Hit that like button, smash it like you smash your girl, you know. Yeah. Fitness is everywhere, man. Everybody wants to be so fit. But to be very honest, Cuba has more beautiful girls than I think many countries I've been to. More videos coming from Havana, and I'm just shooting some time lapse here. It seems today the sun won't be as good as yesterday, so we shall use yesterday's footage for today. You know, I'm next to this ocean, so you may feel maybe the sound is not so good. It's actually not so late, but you know, I'm filming against the sun, so that's why I'm not that clear. Okay.
But I wasn't wrong up in mind. But I wasn't wrong up in mind. But I wasn't wrong.
I'll try as much as possible to interview some beautiful girls here in Havana and see what they say, man, about dating in Havana, and also show you streets of Havana, man. More videos to come. And sure, give the video a like, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Yeah, I am Maro in Cuba. Yeah, man, that's Cuba. Ensure you give the video a like, man, subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm just trying to take some crazy cinematic moves here or films here in Cuba. It's crazy, man. Yeah.